Hello friends, there are FM radio signals coming from one of the Jupiter's moon, as we generally relate FM to radio, which in turn we connect with communication. Chances are some people might see it as a proof of alien life. Are they trying to connect us through radio waves? Are they friendly? Are they dangerous? Before someone starts to panic, it should be notified that their radio waves are not exactly coming from a communications device of any super intelligent alien life. It is simply one of the non-living space phenomena. The FM radio signals were picked up by a spacecraft called Juno. It was orbiting the gas giant when it detected waves from Ganymede, one of the Jupiter's 79 moons. Previously, no activity or signal had ever been detected from this particular moon. It is not ET, said Patrick Wiggins, speaking to Fox. It is more of a natural function. Wiggins is a NASA ambassador from Utah. The signals mostly originated from electrons. As much as radio signals from extraterrestrials would be exciting or scary according to the hundreds of alien invasion movies from Hollywood, it is simply a natural phenomenon from a probably lifeless planet. There is a process called cyclotron measure instability. It is a process that can occur in electromagnetic fields. The process causes electrons within the world to oscillate much slower than their spin rate. As a result, all the electromagnetic and radio waves in the surrounding location can get amplified. This amplified frequency was thereupon picked by the spacecraft. Juno was moving through a region of Jupiter where magnetic field lines of planet can connect with the Ganymede moon. This is where the signals were picked as well. The same electrons that cause these radio signals can also be responsible for creating auroras in the far ultraviolet spectrum. One such instance was captured by the cameras about Juno's spacecraft. In 2011, NASA sent a space probe named Juno out into space. It was a part of NASA's New Frontiers program. The program consists of a series of missions where NASA aims to explore our entire solar system and strengthen our understanding of space. The probe was aimed towards Jupiter in order to study the planet and discover more about how it was formed or how it evolved over time. It entered Jupiter's orbit in 2016. According to the official website, Juno has some state-of-the-art technology aboard, and it will observe Jupiter's gravity and magnetic fields, atmospheric dynamics, and composition and evolution. Thank you.